face. Shame on you. You have given a birth to a girl child. I expected a boy child. We had to spend so much of money on her marriage by giving a dowry. Give. I will send her to orphanage.
You are a woman too. How can you say that you don't want a baby girl? Forget about boy or girl. It's an innocent life who hasn't even seen the world yet. And what? And what do you want to show to the world by giving this baby?
Cynthia, who gave you permission to sit on the sofa during your periods? Sit down on the floor. Don't touch washed clothes and utensils. Don't you dare come to the puja room and kitchen room.
Why, Mom?
It will turn impure. I don't know the reason behind it. But my grandmother, my mother and me followed it. Now it's your turn to follow it.
Mom, I have to talk to you, Sid. Mom, menstruation is a natural cycle in every girl's life. Periods is not about untouchability or worshipping Ma. Periods is more about birth, womanhood, strength. It's our pride, Ma.
Hey, look who's here. People do not have any good sense of fashion.
Hey Pila, where are you from? Amlapuram, huh?
Hey, are you a laborer or what? You stinky hair. She's such a dumb character, na? Hey, look at her stupid face. You know, on weekends she works as a sales girl in a third grade store.
Really?
And you better sit on the floor for the entire class. Got it?
You sit on this chair for the entire class and dare not move from here. Shame on you. Yes, I am a sales girl working in a small store. At least I am taking care of my expenses, not like you girls living on parents' money. And yes, I may not be fashionable. At least I have my character, unlike you.
Where's this woman? How dare she goes out without my permission?
Oh God, it's so late. He must be furious.
Where did you go?
I went to the market.
Did you bring the money from your mother's place? You don't get my instructions clearly, right?
I'm not your slave, so don't treat me as a slave. Not that I can't hit you back, it's just that I respect you as my husband.
Beta,
Huh, Ma?
did you get my medicines?
No, Ma.
Why didn't you get my medicines?
Listen, Ma. I'm not able to tolerate you anymore. I have to look after my children and wife too. You have become a burden on me. I can't take this anymore, really. I have to pay EMIs for my car and there are so many other things. I don't have money for your medical expenses, alright? And I have decided to send you to the old age home. I've already spoken to the authorities there. It's time we pack your bags.
What are you doing? How can you do that? Your father passed away when you were 3. Since then, she spent her whole life only for you. She never thought to abandon you. Just because she's old and fallen sick, you want to send her to old age home? Shame on you. I never expected this from you. As a son, as a man, it is your responsibility to take care of her. This is how you treat your mother? You have lost my respect. You have lost my respect. Whether it is female feticide, domestic violence, ragging, old age negligence, or women discrimination. For all these issues, there are legal support systems in the Indian Constitution. Law sees no race, no gender, nor class. We finally just want to say that a woman must never feel helpless and must stand up for her justice if needed.